baby, you're coughing. Are you sick? We need to call the doctor. Oh no, doctor, please come and save my baby. She's sick. Oh no. Oh God, I think you've got a fever too. I need to call your doctor right away. Oh no, are you sick? I need to call the doctor. Hello, doctor. My baby is very sick. She's coughing and she has a fever. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye. Oh no, baby! You have a very high fever. You need to be lying down. Let's put you to bed, okay? You need to sleep, little one. Good night, little one. Don't forget to take your medicine. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite.